Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss some of the exercise questions. The first question is which of the following property of a proton can change while move freely in a magnetic field? So, question number 1 we are discussing. Which of the following property of a proton can change while move freely in a magnetic field? When a proton is moving in a uniform magnetic field, its velocity can change. So velocity is changing means its momentum can also change. So in this question there are two answers will come. Option C, that means velocity, and option D, momentum. So we can say that answer is velocity and momentum. Now question number 2. A positively charged particle projected towards west is deflected towards north by a magnetic field. What is the direction of the magnetic field? So you can see this question. A positively charged particle projected towards west is deflected towards north by a magnetic field. So this is the way we can represent the direction. So this way north is there, south is there, and we can mention the case of east and west. So in this case, a positively charged particle is projected towards west. That means this direction, charged particle is projected towards west, is deflected towards north. This side is going. Is deflected towards north means force is experiencing along this direction. That is the meaning. So charged particle, positively charged particle only. So this is a positive charge only. So positive charge particle is projected towards west, is deflected towards the north. So it is clear force is experiencing towards the north direction. So by applying Fleming's left hand rule, so we can consider the case of the Fleming's left hand rule and we can determine the direction of the magnetic field. So we know what is the Fleming's left hand rule. So stretching the three fingers of the left hand in a mutually perpendicular direction, in which central finger represents the current, forefinger representing the field, and thumb is representing the direction of the motion of a conductor or a force experiencing on the conductor. So in this case, positively charged particle only moving. So we can take the direction as same direction of the movement of this particle. Current direction is the same as the movement of a charged particle, and this is projected towards north direction. So moving in the upward direction. So projected towards north. So force is experiencing in the upward direction. You can see that. So in this case, force is experiencing in the upward direction. So positive charged particle is moving towards the west. So direction of current is along this direction. Force is experiencing in the upward direction towards the north. So you can observe that what is the direction of the magnetic field. The forefinger representing the direction of the magnetic field. So that is in the outward direction. But in the option you can see that outward direction is not given. So according to the option, so this is in a horizontal plane only. So we have to turn this in a horizontal plane. We discuss now this is in a vertical plane. So if you want to consider this answer in a horizontal plane, so we can turn this. So this is in a now horizontal plane only. So current is flowing, and now we can see that this is the way we can observe that force is experiencing in the inward direction. That means this is the direction of a magnetic field is experiencing. So it should be in the upward direction. So answer we can say that so this is in the upward direction. So this way again answer the case of the direction of the magnetic field is in the upward direction. Now we will consider our question number 3. An electron enters a magnetic field at the right angles to it. The direction of the force acting on the electron will be. An electron enters a magnetic field at the right angles to it. The direction of the force acting on the electron. So we can consider that situation. So this is the way we can consider the case of a magnetic field. So in this way we can consider magnetic field. So I am representing magnetic field by a capital letter B, and an electron is entering perpendicular to this magnetic field. So this is the way an electron is entering perpendicular to this magnetic field. So in this way you can see that this electron is entering perpendicular to this magnetic field. So this is the direction of electron. We know the direction of a current is always opposite to the direction of electron flow. So current flow is in the opposite direction of the electron flow, that is in the upward direction. So you want to find the direction of what is the direction of the force experiencing on the electron. So force experiencing on the electron we can determine with the help of a Fleming's Leftian rule. So in this case also we have to consider Fleming's Leftian rule only. So according to the Fleming's Leftian rule, we know stretching the three fingers of your left hand in a mutually perpendicular direction, in which a central finger represents the current, forefinger represents the magnetic field, and thumb is representing the force experiencing on this conductor. So you can apply and find the direction of the force experiencing. So current direction is in the upward direction. So current is flowing in the upward direction, and field is along. You can observe that this is the direction of the field. So field direction is there, and what is the direction of the force experiencing? That is in the inward direction. So we can say that inward direction or into the page. We can say that into the border surface, or according to the answer option. So we can say that into the page. So this is the way we can consider the answer as into the page. Next we will consider situation as